How's it going, everybody? Jeremy here with EMAX Compressor, and if you have one of our pressure lube pumps and it's not building oil pressure like it should, the normal cause of that is that it has not been used and it's allowed all the oil to go to the bottom of the crankcase and allowing air to get into the top of it. You're going to have to go through and reprime the pump. That's very simple to do and only takes a couple of minutes. Let's walk you through the process. So in order to go through and actually prime our pump assembly itself, we're going to wind up draining a little bit of the oil out of the bottom of the crankcase and adding it back in here on top. Now we're going to drain the oil into our priming bottle and use that as a filler. Let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, go ahead and unscrew your bottle cap, set it aside, and then follow that up with a wrench to the drain plug to loosen and let the oil out. Go ahead and loosen the plug itself, keeping the bottle underneath just to catch anything that may go by. Now, in order to prime this pump assembly itself, all we need to get out of it is about 30 milliliters of oil. That's about an ounce into the bottle. Let's turn the valve and drain the oil. Once you have your oil, turn the valve, clean up any excess with an extra rag, and then reapply the drain plug. Make sure when you go to tighten it that you simply snug the drain plug and do not torque it down. Next, once we've collected our oil, we move up here to the top and we unscrew our brass fitting. Now yours could be a little bit different where you haven't plugged, but these brass fittings are nice because with our oil bottle, it'll fit right inside the fitting itself. I do want to make note here that when you are going in and adding the oil back in, it is going to seep down slowly. So just add a little bit of the oil and allow it to seep down. It's only an ounce of oil, so it won't take but just a minute. And then once you're done, go ahead and screw in the valve or put the fill valve plug back in and clean up any excess with a rag. Now, we like to see it at a cold start, the pressure being anywhere from about 80 to 120 PSI. Once it's warmed up, anywhere from 20 to 40. Now, if you have any other questions or concerns, please reach out to us directly through our website, emaxcompressor.com, or call us directly at 937-540-1140. Thanks for choosing EMAX.